But yeah, hi everyone. I'm David Tischler. I am a developer relations engineer.
Awesome.
Originally from Edge Impulse, now part of the Qualcomm family.
That's right.
And we are showing off, I think, a total of 11 demos.
Wow.
All around the Qualcomm booth,
Yeah.
the Edge Impulse booth, the Arduino booth, the Foundries booth, and then some of the partners as well, like Advantech, and I'm trying to think which other vendors have hardware on site as well.
And you have that cool race car demo.
We do have the race car demo.
So what is the race car demo exactly? You're generating data to train a model?
Well, we're doing both. We have, on the race cars themselves, we have an Arduino Neso N1. And that's an ESP32 based device, so that's a microcontroller.
Right.
But it is powerful enough, and it has a built-in accelerometer. So we were able to train a model that can identify if the car is idle, if it's stationary, if it is in motion around the track, if it's driving, or if it has crashed, if it's upside down, inverted, or anything that is not right side up, we're treating as crash. Also built into the demo is an Arduino Uno Q, and that's running a computer vision model. So we have a camera mounted up high above the track, looking down at it, and we trained a model on the individual race cars that are going around the track. So there's a Mustang, there's a Corvette, there's an AMG Mercedes, there's an Aston Martin, and each of them is identified.
Yeah.
And because the camera has the vantage point from above, we can then count how long it takes to cross a threshold, which is essentially a lap. So that's your lap timer.
Okay.
Name of the game is to complete 5 laps as quickly as possible. But if you go too fast,
flip it,
you will crash.
There you go.
So a little bit slower is actually better. The leaderboard, I think, at the moment is 15 seconds for 5 laps. Pretty good.
Wow. That's pretty good.
Excellent. And that's running, like I said, on the Uno Q. So that's a Qualcomm 2210 CPU-based device. So they're running Linux.
Q, and then the new Ventuno.
Yes.
Ventuno Q.
That looks good. I haven't gotten my hands on one yet.
That's pretty impressive. You guys have made some cool demos with that.
Yeah, we will definitely.
I also saw some robotics and some physical AI demos over there.
There are some robotics demos. The Arduino team themselves have built on the new Ventuno Q a robotics demo. It is both an autonomous mobile robot on a platform, so it can move around, but it also then has a robotic arm on it. So I think you can send it to the refrigerator to then open the door and grab you a beverage and return, if I understand correctly.
Sounds like a good demo right
now.
Yeah.
Cool. And then I'm trying to think what else. There's some factory line inspection. There's some defect detection. My friends in the IMSDK team have multi-camera inferencing running on an IQ9, I believe. But yeah, there's a lot going on.
Yeah. I mean, you see they're on the corner here, so you can't see on the camera, but the kind of Qualcomm City over there.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is.
Then we had Morris talking about his theater.
Yeah, right next door to us. And one other thing that you may have already spoken about, so apologies if this is a repeat, but Edge AI San Diego is coming up.
That's true.
In 2 weeks, or is it 3? 2 weeks. And I will be there. I will see you for that.
Awesome.
Because I'm building a smart lamp project along with the supply frame team and one of my Qualcomm DevRel colleagues, Rami. So we're running a workshop.
That's right.
There are 50 seats available in that workshop, and I want to say that that's on Wednesday. Check the agenda.
Yeah, we'll have to check the agenda. But yeah, if you go to San Diego 2026.edgeaifoundation.org, You can see the agenda. You can register. And if you haven't done so, you should do so. You can either get a pass for the whole conference or just a day pass. So
if you're getting a day pass, I recommend Wednesday.
You got to get because it's all about the workshops. So you'll meet David.
No, there's I looked at the agenda, the Tuesday with the keynote. Look, you got to get the multi-day pass.
Well,
but yeah, so we will train a model on site right there in San Diego in the workshop.
Okay.
We'll deploy it to an Uno Q, and it's got a custom carrier PCB with a microphone that Supply Frame is putting together, and it'll react to your voice. It's really cool looking.
Cool. Looking forward to it. Well, always new cool demos to create because there's new cool tech to play with.
Yep.
So that's kind of endless. But you guys do a great job over there. I think part of it is a good demo really kind of explains the concept and the value prop.
Yeah.
Clearly, you guys do a great job of that, so that's really good. Have you seen other demos and other booths that have kind of blown your mind? Or?
You know what? Not yet.
Yeah,
and that's because I haven't made it out from my demo yet. But tomorrow, I'm fortunate enough to go with our technical marketing team, and I'm going to do like a 4-hour walk the floor. So if you had asked me that on Thursday, I would have been better prepared to answer that question.
Tomorrow and tell us about
we can absolutely get some social snippets or something and send them on out.
Sounds good.
But I think that's probably all I've got for the moment.
Sounds good.
Anything else?
Thank you, David.
All right.